So, you're running a modern political campaign, right? And that means you're trying to be heard in a world that is just full of noise. Nonstop ads, emails, social media. It's overwhelming. The real trick isn't just shouting your message louder. It's about making it actually connect with people.
This is relational organizing. It's not about cold calling strangers. It's a system that empowers your biggest supporters to reach out to the people they already know, their friends, their family, their neighbors. It's all about tapping into networks that are already built on trust.
So, if relational organizing is the game plan, then you need a tool specifically designed to help you run that play at a massive scale. And that, my friends, is where UpVote comes in. Let's get you behind the wheel.
I love this analogy because it's so true. Think of UpVote as this high-performance machine. It's got all the horsepower you need to win, but it doesn't drive itself. You, the admin, you are the skilled driver who's going to steer this thing to the finish line.
Now, to drive this thing effectively, most campaigns have two key people. You've got your volunteer-facing admin, that's your people person, your coach, the one who keeps the team fired up. And then you have your data-facing admin. That's the person who's under the hood, managing the voter file, the uploads, the reports. One focuses on the team, the other on the tech.
All right, driver, it's time to get your engine built. We're going to walk through the practical step-by-step process of getting your campaign off the ground and running inside the platform. Getting started is actually really simple. First, you'll send your voter file over to the UpVote team, and just confirm who your admins are in an email. Easy enough. Then you'll get your login info. Once you're in, the very first thing you're going to do is find that little gear icon for settings. That's your command center. It's where you'll set permissions for your team and write that first welcome text for new volunteers.
And just a quick but super important note on that first step. Your voter file. You know the saying, garbage in, garbage out. Make sure it's clean and formatted correctly as a CSV or Excel file, just like you see here. A clean data file is the foundation for, well, everything else.
Okay, your engine's built. Now every engine needs fuel. And for our campaign engine, that fuel is high-quality data. Let's talk about how to track the information that will really help you target your voters effectively.
You see, the standard voter info is a good start, but it's just that, a start. To run a really smart campaign, you need to track specific things that are unique to your race, and that is exactly what custom fields are for.
And creating them is a piece of cake. You just go to the Custom Fields page in your portal and click Add. From there, you decide what you want to track. A perfect example is Vote Plan. You can create options like early vote, vote by mail, or election day. This turns a simple conversation into actionable intelligence that helps you make sure every last one of your supporters actually casts their ballot.
All right, the people who make it all go. Let's talk about getting your volunteer team assembled and onboarded.
Now, a really critical thing to understand about UpVote is that it is an invite-only system. This is not a public social media site. You are building a secure, private network of your most trusted supporters. Nobody gets in unless you or one of your managers lets them in. This keeps your program and your data safe.
But invite-only does not mean it's hard to grow. Not at all. The absolute easiest way to build your team is with a self-registration page. You create a simple landing page, you can share the link, or you can even put a QR code on flyers at your events. Passionate supporters can sign themselves up, and then you just have to approve them. And you've got plenty of options for bringing people in. You can add folks one by one right from the admin portal. Your managers can invite new people directly from the app on their phone. Or if you have a whole list, you can do a bulk upload with a simple spreadsheet. It's flexible, so you can build your team in whatever way works best for you.
Relational organizing is the winning strategy, and UpVote is the high-performance engine you need to execute it. We've gone through the setup, the data, the team building. You have the keys to the race car. The only question left is, are you ready to get behind the wheel and drive this campaign to victory?